everyone present over here. Today I am Mannat Sabur from grade 7th from Narayana Techno School, Nalasopara West is here to present my topic of little teacher, that is speed time graph. First, what is speed time graph? Second, definition of speed, distance and displacement. Third, example of distance and displacement. Fourth, mathematical expression of speed. Fifth, types of speed. Sixth, conversion of speed. Seventh, what is a graph? And the last, types of speed time graph. Speed time graph. What is a speed time graph? A speed time graph shows us how the speed of a moving object changes with time. Definition of speed, distance and displacement. Speed. The distance covered by a body in unit time is called as speed. Before knowing anything, you should know the difference about distance and displacement. Distance. Actual path covered by the body is known as distance. Displacement. Shortest path covered by the body. Example of distance and displacement. I have told you the definition of distance and displacement. Some of you might have understood by that, but some of you might have not. So I have some example that will make you understand more clearly. As you can see, here is a line segment named as AB. The person standing at point A comes to point B, which is of 5 kilometers. So, the distance from point A to point B is 5 kilometers and the displacement is also same, that is 5 kilometers. In case 2, when the person from point B comes to point C, which is of 3 kilometers, the distance becomes 8 kilometers. How? See, the total distance covered that time was 5 kilometers and the distance covered now is 3 kilometers, which total gives us 8 kilometers. But the displacement in this case is not same. It is 2 kilometers. How? The total displacement covered that was 5 kilometers and the displacement covered now is 3 kilometers. Therefore, the total displacement means the shortest path from A to C is 2 kilometers, that is 5 minus 3 kilometers, 2 kilometers. Mathematical expression of speed. If two boys, Ram and Shyam, are running, how would you calculate that who is faster? There is a solution by using the formula, that is speed is equals to distance upon time. Example of mathematical expression of speed. Distance given is 30 km and time given is 6 hours. Don't forget the formula, that is speed is equals to distance upon time. The distance 30 kilometers and the time 6 hours, which gives us 5 km per hour, that is our speed. Types and conversion of unit of speed. Types of unit of speed. First is CGS unit, second is SI unit. In CGS system, unit of speed is centimeter per second and in SI system, unit of speed is meter per second. Conversion of meter per second into kilometer per hour. Multiply by 18 by 5. Conversion of kilometer per hour into meter per second. Multiply by 5 by 18. What is a graph? A graph page consists of two axes. One is x-axis and another is y-axis. X-axis is placed horizontally in a graph page and y-axis is placed vertically. As you can see, this is forming a 90-degree too. The time is always placed in the x-axis and the distance, speed, acceleration, velocity, everything is placed at y-axis. Types of time graph. There are mainly three types of time graph. First is impossible graph. This graph proves that time cannot be constant. As you can see in this picture, the time has been constant at this point. This is not at all possible because you can see in my watch also, the time is moving all the time. So, this is an impossible graph. Types of time graph. Second, uniform graph. that says equal distances in equal intervals of time. Here is a picture that will make you understand more clearly. The time taken is 15 minutes and the distance taken is 10 kilometers. So, at 10:15 am it is covering 10 kilometers, at 10:30 am it is covering 20 kilometers, at 10:45 am it is covering 30 kilometers and so on. So, it is covering equal times of distance, time in equal distances. Types of time graph. Last but not the least, non-uniform graph, which says unequal distances in equal intervals of time or equal distances in unequal intervals of time. Here is a picture that will make you understand more clearly. At 2 minutes, it is covering 10 meters. At 3 minutes, it is covering 20 meters. At 4 minutes, you can see it is covering 25 or 26 kilometers. So, this is not equal distances because here it was 10 and here it came 5. So, that is not equal distances in equal intervals of time. Thank you. I would like to thank Narayana Group for giving me this opportunity to present my little teacher ability.